Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give my findings and analysis on a particular stock known as IDFC First Bank. This is a private sector bank which is having a very bad news as well as good news. So, this stock is an emerging bank because in the past we identify a bank known as IndusInd Bank like a similar level. We bought around 30 rupees. IndusInd Bank. IndusInd, I'm saying IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank we bought around 30 to 35 rupees. Then we offloaded after some years at 2800 level. Same maybe happens to this bank if everything is positive. So before going to this IDFC First Bank details, I would like to express a few points about the Superfans Trading Tips platform which operates through WhatsApp by Bull Street. We have three kinds of trading tips platforms. One is Superfans option, in which we give low budget option trading tips for retail traders, those who are having a working capital around 10k and above. The trading tips will be given in the live market in WhatsApp with entry and target. This is going highly successfully, and the subscription to join this Superfans option is 7,999 per month. And second one is Superfans equity. This is for persons who are having a sizable working capital but they do not want to have risk at all. For them, we give highly speculative moving scripts in equity and delivery basis, and also we give investment calls in delivery basis. The subscription to join Superfans equity is also 7,999 per month. And another one is Superfans Penny, in which we give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. The stocks prices ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees, hardly sometimes up to 30 rupees. We give recommendations with the entry, no target. These stocks are not tradable. Buy these stocks and stay invested for a few years, and you can create great fortune for you and your family and your wards. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month. You can remit your subscription by GPay or PhonePe or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in description box. We have only one WhatsApp number, and another one important announcement is that we do not have any trading tips platform. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. We don't have any activities in Telegram. All of our activities only through WhatsApp and blog site. Right, now we go to this video. The bank IDFC First Bank, while looking into the history of the bank, this bank seems to be incorporated in the year 2014 as a private sector bank. And this bank is why I am suggesting this bank, because this bank is having its arm from microfinance level to digital level. The reason is this bank is having 100% stake in one microfinance named as Grama Vidiyal Microfinance Group. And how I can say that this bank is has a digital interest, because this bank is having a partnership program with Mobivic, which has in-app purchase activities in Visa. So this has a digital interest also. And looking into the price levels, recently closed the price of IDFC First Bank is 48 rupees. 45 rupees and 50 paise. While looking into the year low and year high to have an idea of long-term investment in this bank. The year low for IDFC First Bank is around 26 rupees 85 paise, and year high is 69 rupees 30 paise, which gives a return around 2.58%. 2.58 not percent, 2.58 times of growth. So if the investment doubled and fraction of portion is also there, 2.58 times of growth. And while looking into the monthly basis, recently closed 1 month low and 1 month high, whether we can take this stock for a seasonal investment or short term holding like for a month or fortnight level. The 1 month low is recently closed. 1 month low is 44 rupees 10 paise and 1 month high is 54 rupees 60 paise. This gives about 1.23 times of growth. The investment got doubled, 1.23 times of growth. So we can conclude that the IDFC First Bank is a risky for long term, very long term. And this IDFC First Bank is having major setbacks like bad loan exposure to Vodafone and all. And this IDFC First Bank stock is suitable for a seasonal investment like 1 month holding or 2 month holding, but provided one has to find the correct low level and one has to exit at correct high level. And this IDFC First Bank is also suitable for long-term investment. I mean to say that 12-month and odd. And while looking to the anticipated price levels in my findings, I have a finding that whether the stock is having continuous setback or negative news is flowing into this stock may even not the stock does not hesitate to touch 35 level. If everything is okay, everything is positive to this bank, if there is any aggressive buying in this counter, so there are some upper side levels. They are 54 rupees and then 68 rupees and then 72 rupees, and there is an ultra higher level. I can say that it will be 104 level. So these are the inputs about the IDFC First Bank. The IDFC First Bank, I can say that this is a risky for passive investors. This is not a risky, this is a speculative high return stock for smart seasonal investors. So this stock can be considered for intraday trading with a price gap of 2 rupees to 4 rupees, sometimes 5 rupees. This stock can also be considered for BTST kind of trading for a price gap about 4 to 5 rupees. And this stock can also be found suitable, considered for seasonal trading like few days holding, 3 to 4 days holding, like that and all. So if you are interested, you can add this IDFC First Bank in your watch list in your trading window. Disclaimer is applied. Do not say that I am recommending. Do not blame that you have mentioned this stock in your video. I bought this stock, the price got down. So such kind of comments don't make. This is my personal finding. So IDFC, because why I am stressing this IDFC First Bank, as I said that in yesteryears the IndusInd Bank was named as Ashok Leyland Finance Limited. Ashok Leyland Finance Limited, I think private limited. So those days when Hinduja came into Ashok Leyland, and then they incorporated as IndusInd Bank, we bought at 30 to 35 rupees. Then it went to 2,800 level. The same scenario may created in IDFC First Bank if everything is okay. So such a kind of high risk trader, high risk investor can consider this IDFC First Bank. So don't forget to subscribe to Superfan's option. Superfan option is meant for retail traders, those who are having a working capital around 10k and above. So sometimes the trading tips will make the investment doubled. Sometimes it give more than the double times profit. Sometimes it give profit to make about 1000 rupees per lot per trading. So thank you very much. Please watch this channel regularly, give us support. Kindly share this video to your fellow friends. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.